Hi folks, it's the Sneezing Sniffler. Just a quick update. Yeah, there's not been any videos recently. That's because I've been on vacation for a week, or for 9 days. And just before my vacation, I damaged my left hand. All my garden equipment fell on my left pulse. Now, as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, let me get the camera right. Here, if I stretch my thumb, you can see all my ligaments. Can you see it? All my ligaments in my thumb. And if I do it on my left hand, it's swollen a little bit and I can't really stretch it. So tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock, I'm going to the doctor's to see what the problem is. I do have some videos to post, but to be honest, I'm not being really up to it. I can't use my left hand to type, so if I'm using my mouse and my right hand. But when my left hand's feeling a lot better, I will put some videos on YouTube and Facebook. Sorry to keep you waiting. Love you all, folks. Bye.